Here's another way to build a set of stairs without stringers. This way you would use 2x4s. You could always use walls. And this is just an example of a platform that I built here. 2x4s that will be notched, and then 2x4s that will be cut flat. And you could always use flat 2x4s, cut a 2x4 like this, and then put it underneath the other support. You don't have to notch it like this. If you need clarification on that, feel free to leave a question in the comment area. But you could always stay with the sound and true way, which is the way I have it here. And again, this is just an example of another way to build a set of stairs. If I could provide you with enough ways on how to build a set of stairs and simplify the process, I think almost anyone could build a set of stairs. Now keep in mind, when I started working in construction, there were few people that I worked with that knew how to build stairs. And I don't know if it's the same way today, but the information is definitely out there. There are books. We have them at our website. And there is enough information, I believe, for anyone out there to be able to put at least something together, including a stairway like this. Again, here is the notched 2x4, and then you have a 2x4 here supporting the back support for the tread, and the front support you would have a notched 2x4, and then this would be more along the ways I would be talking about. If this 2x4 just went straight up, you could use it to support the back tread support. How would you figure something like this out? How would you actually construct it? You know, it wouldn't be that hard. If you have a platform that's let's just say 30 inches. See if I can keep that simple. 30 inches with 5 risers. That would give you, if we divide 6 into 30, 5 into 30, we would get 6 inches. This would be provide us with 6-inch risers. And you could probably scale something like this. Grab a piece of paper and draw the treads. If you have 3/4 inch plywood, for example, you would need to subtract 3/4 of an inch, the thickness, from the distance, the overall distance here, which of course would be 12 inches. The overall distance here would be 6 inches. So this would be 5 1/4. The total height from here to here would be 5 1/4. And then you add the 3/4 inch tread, and then you have 6 inches. You do the same thing if you had a 7-inch tread. If you had 5 7-inch risers, equally spaced distances, equally spaced vertical distances, and it was 7 inches, then that would give you a 7-inch total overall rise from the top to the bottom of the floor. And if that was the case, then you would have a 6 1/4 inch rise. This distance from here to here would be 6 1/4 inches. And then if you had a 14-inch step, the next step would be 14 inches. You have a 7-inch plus 7 inches, 14, plus 7 inches, 21, plus 7 inches, 28, plus 7 inches, 35. So you would just subtract the distance of the tread to provide you with this measurement, and then whatever materials you're going to use for this. If you have a 6-inch tread, you could use 2x6, because this board, you don't want to have a gap between the bottom of the riser and the top of the tread. If you have a 7-inch rise, then you're going to use 2x8. Go to the next step so that you can eliminate the gaps. So hope that makes sense. Watch the video a few times if you need to. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment area, and I will answer them as soon as possible. And don't forget to hit the old thumbs up button if you like these videos. It lets me know that they are appreciated and to keep making them.